I've been remodeling kitchens since 1984. I can confidently install Menards quartz because I know it comes from quality sources. Menards is my custom shop. Whatever I draw, they can produce. And so we've been able to provide customers with intricate details that are almost unheard of in countertop industry. They've made it easy for me to get what I need for my customers. Quartz is our favorite product to install. It's a product I don't need to apologize for. I think it's superior to anything out there. For the last 4 years, I've had the pleasure and privilege of having my daughter Danielle assist me on many installations. She's excellent at all aspects of the job. I enjoy the fact that it has to be precise. I've seen other installations we wouldn't be satisfied with on our worst day. And I want to leave one that someone would say this is the best they've ever seen. As I think about it, the kind of quality that you put into your work indicates the respect you have for the customer. When we finish a job, it's typical that the owner comes in and says, "This is beautiful." But what is more satisfying is when I realize we didn't just do a countertop installation, but we added to their quality of life.